This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Tushar Chandra ubarlam Khmat yaka kenhon ki muktiar bumi Khmat yaka prosecution haka janmiet jonga South Regunai tung arhaja arpusan hadien ke jingtian bishar yaka Sonam bat Raj Singh ke Ïing Kashari kal pengat judicial custody Biang yakini ki arngon sakhat sau Sngi. Ulaong bayakani jingtian bishar la le lingba ka video conference kumbala le yaki laingot kata yo Vishal Singh Chauhan u Akash Rajput badu Anand Kurmi haka lait regunai tung araja arpusan haka ba ka Ïing Kashari yaki tigi laingot kala pengat judicial custody khat sau Sngi. Ka judicial custody baningkong ka bakhat lai Sngi ya ka Sonam badu Raj ka dei ka balapan banada ka Ïing Kashari men haka arpuwai tere jillio araja arpusan bat habalakut no menta ka Sngi kumta latian bishar Biang yaki bat ngat pat sakhat sau Sngi. Shu laong magini ki arngot kim shem latre ban Kren Eiei haka por balakali yaki da ka Ïing Kashari.
Sonam and that Raj. So their production was taken place through VC. IOS prayed for 14 days judicial custody. So court, after hearing the parties, again remanded them for 14 days judicial custody.
So their police don't want them in the police custody.
Yes, you see, in the forwarding report, there is a prayer for. There is not a prayer. There is a paragraph mentioned that IO may ask for police custody. Okay, so for the interest of investigation, IO may file a formal petition before the Honorable Court if he requires further police custody for the accused, then we will see to it.
Okay, in the video conferencing, how does it happen?
Video conferencing, they were produced, they were brought in the camera, so magistrate asked their well-beings, everything, they are all fine. Then magistrate asked whether they want to say anything. They said no, we don't want to say anything. So after hearing that forwarding report given by the IO, the legal aid also there. So after hearing, they were remanded as usual as per the procedure for 14 days further judicial custody.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta ka Sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.